Imagine a world where everyone is secure, where nations collaborate to ensure peace. Welcome to the International Security Association, a global alliance fostering scientific cooperation and cutting-edge security science research for worldwide safety. A beacon of unity in these challenging times. Meet some of the researchers who make a special ISA project possible. Dr. Nikolaos Fokianos, the president of ISA and our lead researcher, heads up our talented team. He's a trailblazer in the field, a dynamic force whose work is revolutionizing our understanding of international security, leading the charge with his innovative ideas and extensive experience. Next in line, we have Mr. Lei Yang, Miss Nehru and her IT researchers team. Then there's Miss Eleanor, a powerhouse of knowledge and expertise. Her contributions are invaluable to our mission. Likewise, Miss Amber, Miss Mia, and Miss Lynn each brings unique perspectives and skills to the table, driving our research forward with their tireless efforts. Let's not forget Miss Yvette, Miss Gabriella, and Miss Kinkin, whose pioneering work is shaping the future of our organization. And last but not least, we have the trio of Mr. Allen, Mr. Keane, and Mr. Stephen. Their dedication and collaborative spirit are the backbone of our research efforts. Finally, meet all 64 your researchers with their visionary approach, they pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in international law and order. Each of these individuals are a small part of our vibrant tapestry of researchers. They're the driving force behind our groundbreaking work at the International Security Association. Are you a government or corrections official? Are you interested in having the ISA operate within your country? Consider the advantages that this groundbreaking social project could bring to your government. By embracing such a distinctive social initiative, your country could reap numerous benefits and make a significant impact. Do you believe in a secure world? Do you want your country to contribute to this vision? If so, we invite you to learn more about the International Security Association and the possibility of creating a special program with profound social benefits. Consider the potential impact your involvement could make. Visit www.2nchance Institute. Your country can make a difference. Join us.